Unlock the future of soil preparation with the Slopehelper Power Harrow. Designed for fully autonomous operation, this electric-driven harrow ensures precision soil cultivation with zero hydraulic systems, delivering maximum efficiency at minimal cost. Unlike conventional harrows, our floating suspension adapts seamlessly to any terrain, preventing damage and ensuring consistent depth control. The electric drive system provides higher torque than combustion engines, allowing effortless operation even in challenging conditions. With smart onboard sensors, the Power Harrow optimizes performance for soil aeration, moisture retention, and weed suppression, creating the perfect seedbed without excessive soil compaction. Powered by Slopehelper's 48V EV technology, it runs for up to 14 hours per charge, making it the most cost-effective and eco-friendly solution on the market. Upgrade to the Power Harrow and revolutionize your farm with full autonomy. Slopehelper, the future of plantation farming.